Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add users to your account so your teammates can log in and access your fleet. You can give them full access or limit what they see. It's totally up to you. To get started, head to Account Settings, then click View/Edit Users and select Add New User. From there, you'll enter a username. We typically recommend using their email address to keep things simple. Enter their email address and a temporary password that they can update after logging in. Next, we'll set their permissions. You'll want to at least turn on view tracking and access reports for everyone. That way they can check the current status of your vehicles and pull up history. Then choose their access type, either all devices or specific devices if you only want them to see certain units. If you choose specific devices, just check the boxes next to the devices that they should have access to. Once everything looks good, hit Save Changes, and that's it. They're in. If your new user needs any help getting started, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're always happy to help.